Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you the review of a very affordable loose powder I have recently started using. So I have been loving this product guys, so I really wanted to share my honest opinion about this product to you guys. So this is the Lakme Rose powder and this is really very affordable. So if you are interested to know all the details about this powder and how this works on me and the prices and all the other details and whether you should buy it or not, so please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, to be very honest, I don't feel that loose powder is a must have in your vanity. But if you are a makeup lover and if you want to experiment with your makeup skills, so then you should buy a good loose powder to add on your vanity, because this is really very important for your baking and for setting your face also. So with loose powder you can do this both things. So one is setting your face, I mean setting your whole face with it, and the second one is baking. So guys, baking, if you don't know, is basically a process of setting your face. So you have to generally set your face under your eyes and at your smile lines from where you are really supposed to crease. So I personally like to set my face by baking, and I have a oily skin, and in winter my skin becomes like combination type. So my T-zone is oily and the rest of my face are dry. I mean not very much dry, but slightly dry. So that is why I like to bake my face in winters, and in summers I sometimes set all over my face, but in winters I don't set my face with face powder. I mean I don't set all over my face because the S zone of my face remains dry in winters. So I just bake my face and I am good to go. And I really like baking because I normally crease in my smile line and sometimes in my under eyes, so I just crease there. So I like to do baking to prevent my face from creasing. So guys, if you want to do baking, so you just need a powder brush, a good powder brush, and you need to take a good amount of loose powder. Any loose powder you can use, including this one also. So this is the I think most affordable one. I mean I also have a Blue Heaven one, so I'm just trying that recently, but I have used this product since last 1 month, so I can give a proper review of this because I have tried this so many times. So till now this is the most affordable loose powder I have used and I have liked. So I can highly recommend this product to you. So while doing your baking you just need a good powder brush, and you need to take a good amount of loose powder, and you need to just press the loose powder under your eyes and on your smile lines, and just leave it as it is for just a few seconds. I mean for 30 seconds to 1 minute. That's it guys. Then you just need to dust off the excess powder, and your face will be set nicely. So that is baking. And if you want to set your face, if you want to set all over your face like you do with your face powder, then you just need to take a puff. So it also contains a puff in it, so you can surely use this one. So you just need to take this puff and take a little amount of powder, not very much. So just take a little amount of powder and just set your face by tapping it gently on your face. So that's it guys, it is that simple. So you can use this loose powder in two different ways. So guys, if you ask me that what is the difference between a face powder and a loose powder, so in loose powder you can use this in two different ways. And if you want to use a face powder, you can use that face powder just to set your whole face, but not as a baking powder. But if you are using a face powder, then you can use that only for setting your whole face but not for baking. So that's the basic difference among these two kind of powders. So now let's talk about this product. So this is the Lakme Rose powder. So it also contains sunscreen in it. So this is really very nice because you can surely carry this, because it is not that big. So you can surely carry this and you can set your face whenever you need whenever you are outside and you can't use sunscreen because you have your makeup on, so it is really very difficult. I mean, it is impossible to use sunscreen if you have makeup on. So at those times you just need to have a powder like this which contains sunscreen in it. So you can just touch up with this puff to prevent your face from sun damage. So that's it. So it has really multi-purpose uses. So this retails for 170 rupees only. So guys, this is really very affordable because the product you are getting is really very nice in quantity. So it has 40 grams of product, and the packaging of this product is also very nice. So it has a very sturdy packaging, and it is plastic packaging. So you get a lid here, so you have to remove it at first. Then you are getting a nice puff which is also very good in quality, and then you are getting a lid, and here is the powder. So I will show you the texture and the tint of the powder. So it has a little bit tint. So that's it, and the quantity you are getting in it is really very nice. So it will last you for I think more than 1.5 years if you do your makeup regularly, because you just need a little amount, you don't need very much amount. So I have been using this powder since last 1 month, as I have told you, and you can see that I have just used a very little quantity. So most of the powder is left here. So that is why I am saying that you are getting a very good quantity at this price point. I mean, 40 grams of product in just 170 rupees, and you can even get good discounts in the website. So I have purchased it from Nykaa, and unfortunately I didn't get any discount from there. So you can buy it from wherever you want, where you are getting a good discount on this product. So I will share all the links I found of these products from various websites in my description box below. So you can buy this if you want from wherever you want to buy it from. And guys, this has two shades. So I am in the shade 01 soft pink. So this shade is for light to medium skin tone girls, and if you are 2 or 3 shades darker than me, then you can go for the 02. I think that was deep pink, or I mean, I didn't remember the shade, sorry for that. I will write it on the screen. So this is in the shade 01 soft pink. So guys, today also I have used this powder for my baking, and as you can see, I didn't creased in my smile line and not in my under eye area. So you can see that I have no creasing at all, and this powder also give you a pretty much good coverage. So that's a very good point of this product. And guys, one more point I have to mention here, that this product has artificial fragrances, but personally I don't feel any irritation with fragrances, because I know that these products or any makeup or skincare product should not have fragrance in them. But Lakme products, I mean, most of the Lakme products have artificial fragrances in them, but I personally don't feel irritation of those fragrances. But I am just letting you know, because some of you might be sensitive to fragrances. So guys, that is all about the review of this product. If you like this, please give it a try. I can highly recommend this product to you, because this is a very good product. Trust me guys when I say this, because I have been using this product for a very long time and I'm really in love with this product. So please give it a try. And that is it for today guys. If you like this video and found this useful, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that bell notification button next to it, so whenever I upload such videos you will get notified. And share this video with your friends, and do let them know that this powder is really very good, so they also may want to buy this powder. So also comment down below and let me know what you think of my videos, and if you have any further suggestions for me, please feel free to share those. I will love to know that. And also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links will be in the description box below. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe and stay tuned. Bye bye guys.